Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you change your normal WhatsApp to business account. So at first, just go to the WhatsApp app. Now just click on the top right, the three dot icon. Here you can see the last option here is settings. Click on it. After that, here you can see the fourth option here is chats. Click on it. Click on the bottom second option here is chat backup. Here you can see backup option. Click on it. Just hold on guys to back up. So after the backup is completed, just go to Play Store or App Store in your phone. Click on the top search bar and search for WhatsApp Business. Now just install it. So after installing the app, just go to the WhatsApp Business app. Click on the bottom option here, agree and continue. Here you can see in the bottom here there are you can use your number or you can use a different number. I'm just using my number. Click on continue. Allow the permissions. Now just select your name. And in the second option here is category. You can select your business category. Here you can see here show more options. Click on it. You can choose a description of your business and your business address, the fourth option, or you can just skip it by clicking next here, middle option. Here you can see in the bottom option here, not now. Click on it. You can select a backup frequency. Just select, I'm selecting weekly. After that, just click on the bottom right option here is done. Here you can see your conversion is completed. So guys, that's how you can change your WhatsApp to WhatsApp business account. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.